Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature that can enhance your experience with Gmail on Android, enabling the in-app camera. This allows you to easily take photos or videos and attach them directly to your emails. Let's get started with a quick and simple guide. First, grab your Android phone and locate the Settings app. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you open Settings, scroll down through the options until you see Apps and Notifications. Tap on that to enter the App Management section. Next, you'll want to find Gmail from the list of installed apps. This should be relatively easy, as most of us use it regularly. Tap on Gmail to open its settings. Now, look for the Permissions option within the Gmail settings. This section controls which features the app can access on your device. Here, you want to ensure that the camera permission is enabled. If you see that it's not currently allowed, just tap on it. You'll be presented with a couple of choices. Select Allow only while using the app, or simply Allow to grant Gmail permission to use your camera. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully enabled the in-app camera feature in Gmail. This will allow you to snap photos or record videos and attach them seamlessly to your emails. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.